Hi friends, today I am going to share with you about a happy box. Life is to live happily as we do not know how long we live. When someone comes to us and vents their emotions, it is not always to get help or advice. The comfort lies when they are heard, and this gives them the strength. That is what precisely the Guruji did. Stressed, miserably feeling low, Pavan was sitting before the Guruji. The calm look and the serene smile of that holy man gave some comfort to Pavan. Pavan fell at his feet. He was almost about to break. The holy man patted him on his back but did not utter a word. Guruji, my life is full of miseries. I struggle a lot to make both ends meet. I have a lot of loans to be repaid. I am unable to face people who help me in times of need. My relatives criticize me for my decisions, leading to my failures. My wife and children try to understand me, but because of all mishappenings and failures, they are also slowly losing hope in me. I am trying my best to set things right, but all in vain. I feel miserable. I feel lost. I feel I have no one for me. I want to end myself, but do not have the courage for that too. He broke and tears rolled down from his eyes. Guruji just patted him and got up, brought a small box. Look, my dear son, this is a magical box. I have put all your sufferings into this box. This magical box will work for you. Don't worry. Stay here for this night. Take some rest and go home tomorrow. Everything will be all right. Pavan felt relieved and calm. He thanked Guruji for his kind and comforting words and also for the magical box. On his return home, he saw a friend who turned hostile as his money was not paid by Pavan. This time, Pavan was mentally calm. He thought he will talk to his friend and make him understand his position and his good intention to repay the money. While he was engrossed with his thoughts, his friend came and hugged him and said, Hi Pavan, where did you vanish suddenly? I was worried if you have taken any wrong or foolish decisions. Seeing you brings a big relief in me. No doubt I am and was angry with you, but I never wish anything bad for you. Try to repay my money in easy installments. He hugged him and wished him good luck. The moment he reached home, he was surrounded not only by his wife and children, but his relatives who normally tease him for his clumsy decisions. Pavan underwent a mixture of emotions and realized how everyone cares for him. Their behavior, though pulled him down sometimes, was never meant to end his life or run away from problems. When he sat down calmly and analyzed, he could slowly sort out the issues and also understand the people around him. After a few months, in a happy mood, he went to meet the Guruji. He thanked Guruji for helping him with a magic box to sort out his issues. Guruji smiled at him and said, My son, it is no magical box, it is an ordinary box. I just helped you to calm down your emotions and stress so that you can look at your problems with clarity. This will help you to sort out your issues, which only you can do. A new ray of hope dawned. From there, no turning back. Guruji gave him the box and said, Make this yours. Life is not only with problems and sad moments, it is also full of opportunities, success, and happy moments. Fill this box with memory happy slips. If not on each day, at least with most of the days, noting down your happy moments of that day. Even if a day is the worst hit one, find out an event which bothered you the least on that day of turbulence. The very thought of that event will magically give you the strength to overcome the worst hit events. This is the secret of life. As the days and months passed, the happy box of Pavan was filled with many slips. At times, when Pavan pulls out a memory slip and go through it, he realized happiness is not about big things. Many times, it is just ordinary things which make you feel happy and make your day. There is always ups and downs in the journey of life, and Pavan is no exception. Pavan's eldest son in his teens was suffering from bone cancer. No prayers or efforts of Pavan, his friends or relatives could save him, and the family was put to an irreplaceable loss. Pavan was totally broken. He took his happy box, given to him by his Guruji, and was staring at that. This day is a painful day for me. What is there left for me to make a note of for this day? His eldest son's words before he died came as whispers. Appa, I cannot suffer more. Even if I recover, I may not have a quality life. I am happy that I lived my life fully, enjoyed your love and care. I am happy I had such a wonderful family. I want you and Amma to be happy always and your precious box filled with more and more happy memory slips. I used to look at this box very proudly, which makes my father always feel happy. I have learned many lessons from this happy box. Being happy in life is not about events, not about success or failures, not about friends or relations, not about status or money. It is about how we perceive or look at all these, which makes us feel happy or other way. Happiness is within us. Searching outside is a futile effort. So, Appa, I am happy and I know my end. Be proud of your son. I want a happy note about me to be put in your happy box, as I will live with you always in your memory. Pavan, with tears rolling down and with a saintly smile, dropped a precious slip of his life in this happy box. He felt this will make his son happy. He felt the presence of his son by helping so many cancer patients and their families, by bringing awareness about the disease and how to face the stressful situations. Life goes on. Let us all make our own happy boxes of happy memories stored. How does this help? As darkness is removed with the presence of light, miseries and sufferings and sad memories are removed by this sparkling, precious, happy box of happy memories. Today, 31st May is also looked upon as what you think upon gross day. Means, then what should we do? A grandfather told his grandson, do you know we have two wolves within us and trying to take over each other? The grandson, with his eyes wide open, and asked, oh, Grandpa, is that so? But why should they try to take over each other? Don't they like each other? Grandfather said, my son, only one can stay with you, so they fight amongst each other. One is evil with anger, jealousy, low esteem, pride, greed, hatred, and a big ego. The other is good, expressing itself as joy, happiness, love, hope, peace, kindness, empathy, truth, and so on. The boy thought for a while and asked, who will win the battle? What should I do, Grandpa? The old grandpa said, dear child, the wolf you feed will win. The boy thought for a while with a puzzled face. Then he jumped with joy with all his innocence. It makes my job very easy, Grandpa. I will only feed the good wolf, and so the evil wolf will die of starvation. Grandpa, with a smile on his face, felt, let the child be blessed with the strength to get the bad wolf out. As we grow, we know it is not an easy task, not as easy as said, to deal with these wolves, though they are fed by us. No one can be good or bad in toto, but what weighs more is important. Let us think positive, be good and happy. Let our precious happy boxes always overflows with slips of happy memories. Stay happy, stay healthy and radiate happiness. Life is beautiful and simple. Enjoy every moment of it. Thank you.